Hello everyone, this is our latest mobile chicken coop, designed with animal welfare in mind. Drawbar contacts with a tractor for easy rotational grazing and flexible farming. The size of the chicken coop is 15 meters long, 5 meters wide, and 2.8 meters high, accommodating 700 to 800 chickens. 275-gram hot-dip galvanized frame, corrosion resistance, lasting 15 to 20 years. Includes a 700 kilograms external feed silo for ample food supply, and you can also open this to check the food inside. Motor-driven auto feeding line ensures uniform feed, saving time and labor. Double drinking water line with a 250-liter bucket ensures clean water. Nesting boxes inside, single or double tier options available. Two solar panels on top power the lighting and feeding systems. Cranked curtain provides basic insulation. Operated windows offer excellent ventilation. Lighting opens while hand crank for easy chicken access. You can use this handle to adjust the height of the feeding line. Also use these two handles to adjust the height of the drinking lines. This is the overview of this mobile chicken coop. I'm here waiting for your order. Thank you.